2.5 blocks away from Lonsdale Avenue, and we're excited to show you our newest listing.
Welcome to 332 East 8th Street. This flawless, modern half-duplex was built in 2019. It features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus a bonus 1 bedroom, 1 bath legal suite. There's also fantastic yard spaces in the front and back, and a detached 1-car garage. This home has something for everyone.
With so many amazing amenities nearby and high-end finishes inside, this is the perfect family home.
There truly is nothing better available on the market. Give us a call before it's gone.